Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we have a brand new Teletubbies toy. It's a keyboard. And Nunu is here to help us open it. Hi, Nunu. We also have another guest. It's Kitty. And we all know how Kitty loves the Teletubbies. I think Kitty's really interested in the keyboard. Kitty, we can't open the keyboard until you're out of the way. Step to the side, Kitty. Thank you. Let's look at the back of the box. It says the keyboard plays the theme tune, and the characters turn 360 degrees all the way around. Look at the other toys. We can get a xylophone, a guitar. Ooh, I'd really like the tea set. Well, let's open up our keyboard. We peel the tape off first. All of the tape. There. Now we can pull the keyboard out. Here comes the Teletubbies. On the bottom, we need to take these black discs off. Pull them hard. There. Okay. Our Teletubbies keyboard is ready to play. We have Tinky Winky. Ew! Tinky Winky turns around. But his hand gets stuck on Dipsy. Now we turn Dipsy around. Dipsy goes all the way. La la. And Po. Here's our switch with a flower on it. There's two options. Let's switch it to the first setting. Kitty likes the keyboard. Do you like music, Kitty? I wish I could play a song for you. We'll have to learn a song. Kitty's quite curious about this toy. How about Nunu plays the keyboard? Silly Kitty. Nunu, Kitty won't hurt you. Right, Kitty? Nice Kitty. Oh, gentle Kitty, no biting. Now we're going to switch the setting to the musical note. It's the Teletubbies theme song. And it's loud coming out of the speaker at the bottom. Well, thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Bye-bye.